Can you all hear me?
Hi.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
Maithili.
your
Yeah.
voice is audible.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Hi.
Okay. Thank you for that. Hello all. Very good evening. This is Maithili, your Power BI trainer, and I do have an experience of 10 more than 10 plus years working in an MNC, and currently I am into this teaching profession. So before we do start off, yes, I will be telling you what all we'll be covering up in our course during the duration of our course. But what I want you all to do is, I want each of one of you to get introduced. First, obviously, your name. Um, then, where are you located? Uh, okay, where are you located? And just a second, somebody has just messaged. Okay, and are you working or not? And how many years of experience if you're working? And okay, and if you do have some knowledge about Power BI prior coming to this class. Yeah, one by one, please. Yeah, please
Yeah,
start
hi,
off one by
yeah,
one.
let me start. So hi everyone. So this is Venkatesh. So basically, I'm located at Chennai. So I do work in IT. So I do have experience of 10 plus years. Uh, so I am not familiar with Power BI, but before coming to this course, I had some kind of self-learning in Power BI. So I just knew what are the topics which is going to be covered and like basics of Power BI though. So maybe Maithili could help me more to get into this. Yeah, thanks, everyone.
And you're saying you have 10 plus years of experience, huh?
Right.
Okay, and then what about Excel, Venkatesh?
Excel, yeah, not deep into the, but yeah, whatever which is needed as of now, I could know the basic stuffs. Yeah.
Okay,
But I mean,
okay. So
maybe like we can discuss this offline though, Maithili, but still, want to check. I mean, how important is this with Power BI though, with the Excel?
even if you don't know Excel, you can learn Power BI. First, understand that.
Mm-hmm.
Just that if you're acquainted with the Excel functions,
Mm-hmm.
just like I will, when I talk about features in either in Power Query or your Power BI, I'm
Mm-hmm.
using the direct terminology just since you have done some self learning, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So few of the functions which I discuss over there, just you can create an analogy, so just to have a small comparison between them. That's it. And
All right.
when we know a tool already, right, if we do have some comparison between two tools, things becomes easier for us to learn. That's the
Mm-hmm.
only reason I asked you. There
All right.
isn't that if you don't know Excel, you won't be able to do Power BI, nothing like that.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, thank
Thanks.
you for
Thanks,
that.
Maithili. Yeah.
Next
Yeah.
one, please.
Well, let me introduce myself. This is Vaibhav. I'm from Delhi. Currently, I'm working as an system admin in Nippon Steel Technologies. Uh,
Okay.
from last 2 to 3 months, I'm working there. Apart from that, I do have a 3 to 4 years of experience in US-based customer support profile. So that's it about myself. Thank you.
So one sec. Total of 3 to 4 years you told, right?
Yeah, I do have 3 to 4 years as in customer support profile, US international customer support profile.
Okay, and sorry, maybe I missed out the last two, three lines. What about Power BI or Excel, boss?
Yeah, I do. I take a training of Excel from Raja in Basant Technology. There is a trainer named Raja. I did take
Okay,
the Excel training from him.
okay, boss. Thank you, Weber. Yes,
Okay, thank
next
you,
one,
Matthew.
please. Thank you. Next one.
Hi, Maithili. This is Ramya here. I hope
Yes,
you
ma'am.
remember me. I've joined in 20th batch on morning batch. As I was not able to continue, I just shifted to evening batch now. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay, ma.
I mean,
Yes, yes. You were there maybe first 2, 3 days you were there. First day
first
maybe.
yeah, first 2 days I was there, but second day also I was not able to continue a class because initially I told them it may not suit, but let me try for one day. Okay.
That's okay.
Fine.
Just get yourself introduced. That's okay.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
I have overall 17 years of experience into HR. I am currently in Bangalore and I have some knowledge on Excel. I used to work on it. I am new to Power BI. Currently, I
Okay.
am not.
Okay.
Thank you.
Currently you're not
Yeah,
working. Okay.
Okay, Bhagwati.
Yeah. Rohini. Yeah. Tell me,
yeah.
ma'am.
Hi everyone. This is Rohini. I'm from basically from Maharashtra, Yavatmal. I do have experience of 3 years in testing domain, but I want to shift my career in this, so I'm here. Yeah, and
Okay.
new to the Power BI.
Your first initially your voice wasn't so much clear. So where are you from, ma?
From Maharashtra.
Okay. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next one.
Hello everyone, this is Ragesh and
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Salem. Now
Okay.
I'm currently working in Infosys BPM.
Okay.
Plan to move Infosys IT. So I joined Power BI course and successfully completed S- SQL in my SQL workbench.
Okay.
That's all
Fine,
about
Rajesh.
myself.
Fine. Thank you for that.
Hi everyone. Myself Yasintamati. I'm from Chennai. I am from new from in IT. I don't have any knowledge from Power BI. That's new one for me. And I also some basic knowledge of Excel. That's it. And I am a fresher.
Okay. Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
Indumati.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next one. Next
Hello,
one, please.
hello. This is Nancy. I'm from Chennai. I have total years of 6.5 years of experience in IT background.
Hold on, Nancy. Can you be a bit louder? Your voice is like too much low, ma.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yeah, bit better, but still. Okay. Go
Okay.
ahead.
I have total of 6.5 years of experience in IT background. So I'm a developer. I would like to shift my career to data analytics. So I chose this course. And I have some basic knowledge about Power BI terms and all that. That's it from me.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next one.
Hi ma'am,
Next
this is
one.
Sangeeta.
Yeah.
I'm from Kadalur and I did my UG in BSc Psychology and I want to shift my career in IT. That's why I joined data science course. I have completed MySQL and Python and after that I joined here.
Uh, Sorry if I missed out. Any prior experience, ma, or just a fresher?
No, I am a fresher. I completed my degree in 2023. After that I took
Okay.
a year break.
Okay. Okay, ma.
So,
Thanks, Sangeeta.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next one, please.
Hi,
Yeah,
ma'am. I'm
hi
Rishwana.
everyone.
I guess two persons are speaking. Just hold on, one of you. Yeah,
okay.
go ahead.
Priyanka holding. Okay.
Okay, then next one. Who was there? Yeah,
Hi, ma'am.
Rishmana, right?
I'm Vishmana. I'm located in Kalakurchi. I'm
Your voice is
fresher.
echoing. Your voice is echoing.
Now it's
Okay,
audible.
it's audible, but it was echoing. Yeah, go ahead. Let's see.
I'm Vishmana, located in Kalakurchi.
Hmm?
I'm
Okay.
fresher only. Basic knowledge in Excel. No idea about Power BI. I completed in BesantTechnology SQL Python classes.
Okay, okay, ma. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, next one.
Yeah, it's Priyanka Swang.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tell me, ma.
I'm a graduate. My year of passing is 2019. I'm a 3D modeling and texturing artist actually by profession, but my field is a little bit of insecure now because gaming industries are getting closed. So to get a better, sector, to get into a better sector, I want to switch into data analytics. So I joined in the course in Bison Technology. I've completed my SQL and Excel, and now it's Power BI and other courses are on process.
Okay,
So
okay. Where are you located, Priyanka?
I'm staying in Bangalore only.
Okay, okay, Priyanka. Thank you, ma. Next
Okay.
one.
Hi, this is Vinita here.
Hmm.
I'm from
Hi.
Dental District, Tamil Nadu. I have over 3.5 years experience in soft service. I'm from facilities team.
Okay.
I want to switch to IT field, so I chose data analytics.
Okay.
That's all about me.
Okay, thank you, Vinita. Next one.
Hi, this is Priyanka Jain. I stay in Austin, Texas.
Hmm.
I have 6 years of experience in data visualization. I worked on Looker Studio and SAP Business Objects. I
Oh,
wanted
wow.
to, I wanted to grow knowledge in Power BI side, so I joined this class.
Ah, nice, ma. Nice to know. Okay, okay, got it. Thank you, Priyanka.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we have two Priyankas over here. Am I right? One is Priyanka Jain and this Priyanka Swain.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Two Priyankas. Next.
Hi, ma'am. This is Silambarasi.
Yes, ma. Tell me.
Yeah, I have a 1.5 years of experience as a programmer analyst, and I had a 2 years of career break. So I need to restart my career. So I joined an data analytics course, and I completed SQL and Python recently. And this is I'm new to this Power BI course, ma'am.
Okay, Salambarsi. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next one.
Hello, ma'am. This is Preeti.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a MBA finance graduate with 6 years of experience in insurance and banking domain. And I have joined this data analytics course in BesantTechnologies. Today is my first day. Just I'm interested to switch to IT role, so that's why I have chosen this program.
Okay, okay. But it says Chandika Das, right? You said some
No,
other
ma'am.
name.
Actually, I have joined with another link, so my link is not activated since came late. So I've just used my husband ID to join this meeting.
I don't understand what is not activated. The
Actually,
meeting link is the same for all of you. For me,
yeah,
also the
ma'am,
same
but
link.
the Teams one is different, like the Microsoft Teams.
Okay.
So I'll just switch and should I rejoin using my ID?
Not an issue. Not an issue. But
Okay.
next time from Monday,
Sure,
make
ma'am.
sure you're doing it from yours.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Next one.
Hi ma'am, this is Mariasi. I'm from Namakkal.
Okay.
I'm a fresher. I don't have any work experience, and I
Okay.
have a little bit of knowledge about Excel, and I don't have any knowledge about Power BI.
Okay, Madhyarsi. Thank you, ma. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next one.
Hello, ma'am. This side Prerna Saraf. I am MBA in finance. I have 3 years of experience in corporate in finance as a finance associate, and I want to switch to IT sector as there is an integration in finance with IT also. So, and I have a career gap. So, wanted to upgrade my CV and switch to IT sector.
Okay. Okay. And where are you located?
I'm in Bangalore, ma'am.
Okay. Thanks, Prerna. Next one. For the ones who are unable to talk, as in to say their mic is not working, you may very well write in your introduction in the chat as well, the meeting chat as well. But for the ones who can talk, your mic is all good, working, please go ahead. I do see a lot of names like Hariharan, Sai Kumar, Shalini, Atish, I guess, yes. Nancy, did I hear from you? No, I guess. Pragadishwar, John Prabhu, Henrita, Hari, Akshita, Kritiga. So a good number of people. I've just called out your names. Now get yourself introduced.
Yeah,
Some
ma'am.
few
I'm
names,
Sai Kumar.
few names quite are similar. I mean, kind of an old names for me. Yeah, tell me. Sai Kumar, go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'm Sai Kumar. I'm from Krishnagiri, ma'am. I am recently done in my MBA in Bangalore. Still, I need to develop my skills for IT field. So I chosen data science in Besant. Then recently I completed SQL and Excel, ma'am.
So are you a fresher, Sai Kumar?
Yeah, ma'am, fresher.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Next one. Next.
Yeah, myself Parvishwar. I am from Meedo. So I to form career growth, I have chosen this for
Just hold on, sir. Hold on, sir. Can you start again because your voice was too low? I mean, kind of a bit distorted. Also, I couldn't hear full everything. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, my name is Parvishwar here. So I'm from Meedo. For my career growth, I have chosen this for
So, are you a fresher or experienced person?
No, I have 3 years experience.
Okay, how many years?
3 years. 3 years.
3 years. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, next one. Kritiga, Hariharan, Henrita. Still
Hi,
lots.
ma'am. This is Henrietta here.
Yeah, hi, ma. Tell me.
Yeah, so I'm a working professional. I have like 3+ years of experience. So I started data analytics course with Besant, and this is my third course. I've completed my Excel and Python. This is my third course here.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Your name seems familiar to me. I don't know. Maybe if I had really.
Yeah, Excel. I was in your class only.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what. That's what. Somewhere I thought I have heard your names. Even few more names are quite. Yeah. Next one. Thank you, Henrita. Shalini, I guess I just heard 2 lines from you. Okay. 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 You are a fresher. Oh, all okay, ma. Fine. Fine. Atish from Hosur. Okay. Okay. Fine. 2 more have got to introduce. Kritika, Sonu, Hariharan. Yeah, you have messaged Hariharan from Krishnagiri. Okay. 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 So can we hear Kritika, Sonu, Akshita, Akshita GV, Nancy, Hari.
I've introduced.
Nancy, you did ma? Okay. Okay. Fine. Sonu, you are audible. No, boss. No. I mean, I didn't hear any other voice as of now. So I guess your mic is not working. You may very well go ahead and introduce yourself in the chat. Okay. Hariharan, Have you got yourself introduced, sir? Kritika? Okay. Maybe your mic is not working. You are, I mean, I am inaudible to maybe. Oh, Hariharan is done. Sorry. I just got it now. Okay. So Sonu is only left out a bit. Sonu, you can message me, boss. So where is it? Akshita, have you got yourself done, ma? Okay. Hari, yeah. So working professional, non-IT background. Okay. Akshita, I guess I'm yet to hear from you. I didn't get, yeah. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Akshita. You started typing now? Go ahead. If you're done, I'll start off from my end. I guess rest of you have completed. Oh, 2024. Okay. So ideally fresher. Okay. Fine then. I have heard from all of you. In case any new joinees are there on Monday, we'll see it. So, okay. Let me share in my screen with you all. At least I am audible to all of you. That's my question. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, I
ma'am.
am
Yes.
being audible.
Yes,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
how would you people respond me? Yeah, thank you on that. How would you people really respond me? Okay. Now, first and foremost, this particular Power BI course, it's minimum of 35 classes. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm
your
just
screen
giving
is
you
not visible for me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Your screen is not visible for me, ma'am.
hold on, ma. Hold on. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. In
Okay,
case
ma'am, I
any
will
one of
rejoin.
no, just hold on. Don't be in a hurry for each and everything. I'm saying in case major of them, maybe only one person, only you are the one who has not been able to view my screen. Huh? So just I'll suggest that you log off and log in. Then you should be very much be able to view my screen. Okay, that's first thing.
Okay, ma'am.
And yeah, thank you, Madhyarsi. Uh, Now, as I was telling, this particular Power BI sessions around a minimum of 35 classes. Okay, 2-3 classes here and there might really happen. That's one thing, and it's from Monday to Friday only, from 8 p.m. Sorry, from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. One hour daily from Monday to Friday. So in a week, 5 classes. Okay, now each and every class of ours is very much getting recorded, like even the ones like you people have got yourself introduced. We have been talking from 7 o'clock, right? Even this particular class is also getting recorded. Once the class is over, the recording video gets some time to be really available. There's some background work goes on in Teams. So once it's available, we'll share it with you. We'll have a recording link. Okay, one particular folder we'll be really maintaining for this particular batch. And in there only, each and every day's recording sessions will be very much available to you all. You can view it, you can download it, and around 5 to 6 months, they do have, like, you will be able to access it. But my suggestion would be better that you all download it onto your local machine and keep it off. In case there is some like, if at all you are not able to access, you don't get it later. So if that's the case, it's better that you have it on your own, in your own machine. Okay, that is one thing. And okay, apart from this, every day's class, whatever the resources like your PBX, the Power BI files, or whatever the data sources I will be really referring to, everything related to our Power BI course is very much in this drive. I'll just message you all in the WhatsApp group. So after today's session, just having yeah. Okay, I've just sent it. Just go to this particular drive, see if you are able to access. That's one thing. If you are unable to access, you can always let me know. I'll just see to it what has happened. That's one thing. And likewise, when I share the recording link as well, do check that particular recording whether you are able to access that link, like open that link and access your recording. Okay, do these two things and let me know. Okay. Now in here only, the whatever the PPT I was just showing you, right? This particular PPT is also available in this particular drive. Uh, can you see it? PowerBI.ppi PPTX. It's very much over here. Okay, so let's jump
Yes,
into
ma'am.
our. Sorry.
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
again, boss.
I told you yes. You're asking the question. Can you see that or not?
Yes. Okay. It was a quite feeble voice, so I was just a bit of as who was it? Okay, I guess two persons have joined. Manna Reji and who is that? Nafid. You have joined now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you get yourself introduced, sir? Like your obviously your name, your where you are located. Are you a working professional or not? If working professional, then how many years of experience?
Yeah,
And if
I'm
you have some prior knowledge of Power BI before coming here, just yeah, go ahead.
hello everyone. I'm Nafid. I'm from Kerala, Thrissur, and currently I'm working in IT, like 4 years of experience in Bangalore. So I don't have any prior experience in Power BI. This is my I get a fresh start for a profile skill.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Nafid. Yeah, Manna Reji.
Hi, I'm Manna. I completed MBA. I'm currently not working. I'm settled in Saudi. I'm from Kerala. I don't have prior knowledge in Power BI.
So, are you a fresher, ma, or like
Yeah,
a
fresher. I'm fresher.
fresher? Okay, okay. Thanks. Thank you for that. Okay. Now, hopping over to my PPT. First of all, welcome all of you to this Power BI session of ours. And if you have a knowledge or if you don't have a knowledge, doesn't matter. What is Power BI? Power BI is nothing but an business intelligence tool which is going to help us, like if we are being given some data to really work on, okay, some raw data. If we get a job, we have been at the job, your workplace, you have been given some raw data to really work on. You would have to clean the data, not that every time whatever data has been provided to me is of good quality data. There could be some missing values, there could be some erroneous values, nobody knows about it, right? So we would have to clean the data, and once cleaned, I would have to convert that particular raw data onto a visual format. And in this process, Power BI comes into picture. It's a business intelligence tool which is going to help me out with each of these jobs, like first of all, getting the data, like importing the data onto the tool, cleaning it, and then converting the cleaned data onto a visual format, because pictures, graphs, charts, they speak more than just your tables or maybe the raw Excel data. They speak more. Okay, yes, we do have table visuals also in Power BI. That's different part. But yes, always to human eye, colors do attract first, even before your like your figures or any other text, whatever writing. This is very much common. If we go even when we do see hoardings outside in our roadsides and all, when we are traveling, our first eye goes into that particular picture. Whoever is it, maybe cinema star or any other brand ambassador for that particular ad. Only after we see the picture, we do have we do take a note about what's the slogan written, what is it all about. That's how the human eye is being very much by default. So same thing, your nobody wants to just, if you are being given some raw data, what will you really make out of that data? Unless and until if I give along with the data, I do give some graphs and all, or charts, if I really given with some good colorings, yes, we'll be able to make insights about that particular data, and even data driven decisions we can make out of that data. So we'll come to that in a more detail later. But this is what your basic knowledge about Power BI, what is it going to do and how is it of help to us. Okay. Now, if I want to define Power BI in other words, I'll just say it's a collection of 4 components. First is Power Query. It's been written like used for ETL purpose. Now, ETL means extract, transform, and load. Now, Power Query is your data transformation tool. Now, sometime back I told you whatever raw data I'm getting on to work on, it might not be of good quality, meaning to say some erroneous data might be there, some missing values might be there. I need to clean up. If I don't clean up, my whatever the charts I'm trying to build, those won't be perfectly good. Like it won't be correct in any sense. I am going to get some null values, or maybe not correct insights or correct proper graphs I'm going to get. So if I have to do the cleaning, Power Query comes into picture. It's a data transformation tool. And extract, transform, and load, that ETL. Extract means I am going to just get connected to any of the data sources. It could be a PDF file, it could be a notepad, it could be a CSV, comma separated value file, it could be an Excel file. Okay, I could even connect to MySQL. Like many of you have completed the MySQL workbench and all, right? So I could get connected to that. If I have access to SQL server, yes, I can connect to that. So wherever my data source is being available, like wherever the data is being available, I can connect to that particular data source and extract my data from that source onto Power Query. I can very much bring in the data onto Power Query. So that is part of extract. Transform is the cleaning that I'm going to do. And loading is after I do the cleaning, I would have to transfer or load my cleaned data onto the Power View. You are seeing the third one, right? I have to really load my data to the Power View, which is going to which is going to help me to build in my reports and dashboards. So that's your ETL, extract, transform, and load. Okay, next comes your Power Pivot. Now, many a times what happens is instead of either I could get Excel, most basic one is the Excel workbook data only, Excel data. Now, Excel data could be like maybe just a single table of data, or maybe a single Excel sheet data I'm being given to work on. It could be that case. Or else sometimes just happens that we are being given 2 to 3 tables of data, but then those 2 to 3 tables are very much interrelated between them. Say, suppose I have some particular e-commerce business running, and I do have a table which tells me or gives me the details about all the orders that have been created during a certain period of time. Maybe just assume around a year. Okay, 12 months of data. Now that is one table. Another table is what all are the products which are being very much in sale for this particular e-commerce business. That list, that particular details, product details will be there in another table. Maybe third table will be there, as in to say this particular e-commerce business is spread across how many locations. So likewise, just as an example, I'm giving you like 3 tables I have just mentioned now. I'm being given to work on with these 3 tables, but then these 3 tables are very much interrelated. They do have connection between them, like order details. Obviously, I would have every other order when it is being created. There will be like a detail also as to which product was really ordered. And if I want to know more details about the product, I would have to go to the products table to know what is it that product all about, what is the unit price, okay, or which category that particular product belongs, and so on. And okay, when this order was raised, which customer has raised it, or maybe which from which location this particular order was raised. So if I want to know the look, maybe which customer, if I want to know the details about that particular customer, where is he located? Okay. And maybe his address or maybe any other details about him, I would have to go to that locations table. So likewise, these three tables are very much interrelated. We know, yes, they are interrelated, but how to really make understand or just how to really communicate to Power BI that, see, I am loading three tables, I have cleaned them up, I need to build in some relationship between the three tables explicitly so that it understands, okay, the three tables which has come up for some kind of analysis, which the user is going to do some kind of analysis, there is some in relationship between those three tables. And how they are related, that's what is your data modeling. Okay, that's where this Power Pivot is really coming into picture. So first I get the data, I clean it, I load it. Then Power Pivot comes into picture, wherein you are going to create some relationships between the pieces of data that I have been provided, or maybe I have loaded it onto Power BI. And once I am done with the data modeling also, I will have to go in for converting each of this data, the three tables data that I've been really working on. I would have to convert them into graphs and charts. Okay, good set of libraries very much available with Power BI. And finally, I'm going to build in a report. Collection of graphs is nothing but a report, Power BI report. Now, first three is very much part of my desktop tool, Power BI desktop tool. Everything will happen inside. Like we do have a desktop tool for Power BI, which I'll give you the link at the last of this particular PPT. It's very much available in there. You're going to download the exe file and install it onto your system. So all these three components, first three components, are part of that tool. What is this Power BI service? It's like once you are ready with the report, I need to share it. Unless and until I share it, how will the other persons consume it, right? So just for sharing, it's an online service. It's called the Power BI service. So to just you share your reports online, I very much need this Power BI service, the online account or the online service. So Power BI, four components. Okay, then question comes as to why Power BI, right? There should be some really good reasons as to why Power BI is in really much demand nowadays, right? So first one is your Google. So I mean, if you go to Google Trends, the search volume has really increased over the last 5 years. Okay, just hold on. Okay, I'll do one thing. Hold on. Where is it? Edit. Or let's do one thing. Let's directly go into our, yeah, Google Trends has opened. Sorry, I didn't notice this. Now, okay, past 5 years in India, you can make out the interest over time. Like in 2020, around 33, the value is being shown as 33. And currently, like in 2025, the current time, 1st March, like 23rd Feb to 1st March, the value is around 91. So it has really increased over time. If I want to really compare, or maybe this is for India, right? What about worldwide? Yeah, I do see the increase in graph from 50, around 50 to around 100. Yeah. And if I say, suppose I want to compare it with Tableau, it's also a tool. Okay, just like your Microsoft Power BI, like it's a Power BI is a product of Microsoft, and we do have Tableau also. Okay, Tableau is the red one. So over these 5 years, I do see my Power BI is at a higher, the graph is at a higher level than compared to my Tableau. which is very much telling me the interest for Power BI is more compared to your Tableau. Okay, this is one of the reasons. Okay. Okay, second one, maximum features, as in when we compare Power BI to other tools, we can write around 1200 different functions in Power BI. Now Power BI, you would be using two types of functions. One is M functions, like during the data transformation, that is the cleaning time, we will be using M language functions. As in, M doesn't have a proper, what to say, or full form, but many of the places they do refer it as mashup language. Okay, that is first area. And second area will be the DAX functions or the DAX language, data analysis expressions. This particular language has been used in my Power BI end, wherein I'm going to build in my charts, right? So I would be requiring some measures and all, like few formulas I would have to write up. And how I'm going to do, we'll really go in over there. When we go there, you will be able to understand. But then combination of these two languages, the functions that we can write, around both of these languages inclusive 1200 different functions you can really write in Power BI. It's a pretty good number, right? And likewise, we can even create around 280 different charts in Power BI. Okay, that's one minimum maximum features. What about the cost of Power BI? The third reason. If you really think, if you we had just compared Tableau and Power BI, na? Tableau, as in if you want to download the original software, maybe it will give you fine. It might give you access, but then the trial period is very less, around 14 days only, 1/4. But after that, you won't be able to access that original tool. You have other alternatives, yes, but the original tool you won't be really able to access. But if you come to Power BI, no such issue is, no such like trial period is very much there. I can download it. It's very much free and no trial period. It's completely free throughout. Only your this Power BI service, the online account that I was showing you in the like components, 4 components, na? There you do have some trial period around 30 to, I guess, around 50 to 60 days. We do have trial period. After that, it's going to be a paid version. Okay, so comparatively, compared to the other BI tools, your Power BI is really cheap, because first thing, we are able to download the tool and really learn about it. So compared to Tableau, yes, really cheaper. Okay. And data connectivity, I can really pull data from 100 different resources. I have really talked about it. Like I was telling you, we can connect to Excel, SQL. I told you my SQL or SQL server. Yeah. Even of two to three more, which I is not even written here. I was telling you about it, like your CSV file, your notepad, PDF, that is Adobe Reader. You can really connect to all those. And more than that, even you can connect to Oracle database, big data, Hadoop. They just say you name it, it will be that that particular source you can really connect to. That's how they say it. And not even that, we can even pull data from structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data sources. Really part of this big data and Hadoop, because they do have your unstructured, semi-structured, and all. Okay, so in terms of your data connectivity, Power BI has got a really good capability. Okay, and last of it is your recognized by Gartner company. Now, Gartner is a company which compares all BI products in the market. In 2020, Power BI was recognized as the leader on the quadrant, I mean, your Gartner 2020 Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence Platform. For 3 consecutive years, it has been ranked the number one. Okay, establishing it as the top platform for its completeness of vision and ability to execute. Don't worry, if you see this particular next page, this is the graph, ability to execute and your completeness of vision. Based on these two attributes, you can make out there are 4 quadrants over here, and my Tableau is at the highest position, especially in the 4th quadrant. You have your ThoughtSpot, Tableau, Quick Sense, and all. Yes, they are there. But among all of them, past almost around 4 to 5 years, your Microsoft, that is your Power BI, has been at the top position. So in terms of completeness of vision as well as the ability to execute, so in both the areas, it's at the top spot. So we have learned about 5 reasons why Power BI is really in demand. Okay, now how does Power BI works? Okay, I did mention about the desktop tool, right? So Power BI desktop tool, I will be able to connect to a good number of data resources. Once I have the data, we're going to clean it. We're going to have some data modeling, then create some charts, and then finally build in a report. Once my report is ready, I would have to publish it to my Power BI service, which is nothing but an online version, a cloud version, which we will be using for sharing and collaboration. And this, as I told you, I'll give you the link. You can very well download it and keep it on, I mean, basically install it onto your local machine, whether you're using a laptop or a desktop, anywhere you can do that. Now, types of this Power BI really, what are the different types that we are going to really use or we might really come across? Desktop tool is one. Second is your Power BI service, which I had been just mentioning quite a few times. You do even have your mobile Power BI. One thing here, yes, you do have an app for Power BI, yes, very much. But if you're going to download it, you will be not seeing a desktop tool as your mobile app. No, you will be seeing the Power BI service that when if you're trying to log in into that particular app, you will be really connected to your Power BI service. Okay, wherein say suppose somebody is giving you an interactive link for your particular report, maybe he or she has developed that report, he's just sharing with you so that you can consume the report or you just can view the report. So you can say you have got the link, you log into that mobile app and you will be able to, I mean, you access the link and see the report that he or she has built in. It won't be the desktop tool that you will be using in the whole during the whole of your course. So that's there for your mobile Power BI, which is very much available for your tablets and your mobile phones. And coming to the Power BI service itself, you have two different types of service. One is a pro account, and there is your premium. Okay, pro still comes off with a trial version. Okay, some trial period is there. After that, only it really goes off for the paid time. You would have to pay something. But for the premium service, it's entirely a paid service only, no trial period. And compared to your pro, premium has got some extra advantages like the bytes of data that I can really load it onto a premium account, like premium service account. That is really compared to my pro service, it's huge. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. Yeah, see, this is the your link from where you are going to download the desktop tool. Okay, so today's Friday, we'll be starting from Monday, right? A proper class. We'll start off with Power BI. So by the time, just get it downloaded onto your system. If you want, I can just, let me see, going to copy.
We
Kindly
can
mute your
download it
mic.
from Microsoft Store. We can download it from Microsoft Store as well.
Yeah, but then this will be much better, boss. But then yes, like it really comes off. You can do that. You can give it a try. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I'll do it. Ah, yeah, paste. It's part of that only. In fact, if you go to your Microsoft Store now, Microsoft Store, like it will really take me there only. If you want to see that. Okay, let it open just few minutes. Ah, see. Oh, no. Ah, see here. It is your Microsoft.com only. From there only, I'm really going to download it. Okay. Weber?
Is there any difference? Is there any difference like on we can download it from Microsoft Store or Microsoft.com?
Not really. I don't think so. You can like what it there isn't any. It generally comes off as a package. Like you don't have to, since I told it's a free thing, na, it really comes off with a Microsoft package. And if
Right.
you, this is, if I'm not wrong, it's going to really take you to that place only where you are mentioning.
Oh,
Microsoft Store only, I
yeah,
am really opening, boss.
yeah.
Ma'am,
Right,
what is
right.
the difference between desktop version and paid version? You said some
Desktop version
extra
and
features only. Pros, I mean, just one second. You said we have to pay for one, right? Pro version,
see, pro
premium.
service, when you really register, like you kind of a sign up, you do a sign up, you get prior,
Okay.
like say around 60 days is free, ma, Vinita. After that, maybe you
Okay,
you
ma'am.
might be required to pay something. But if you are being like a premium service is entirely paid. Generally, when we are working in a company, na, we might get, if we are like being given some additional responsibilities in my team, I might be given the account for with a premium service. I might be given that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. But
Generally,
the
while
features will be
learning,
in desktop version also, right?
yes, don't worry about the online service. Seriously, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay. We
Yeah.
are going to be sticking to the desktop tool only. Like what are the things that we are really going to learn about all the components that I've really mentioned. How you're going to use your online service, I will teach you. Don't worry. Okay. In
Okay,
the
ma'am.
end, towards the end of our class, once we are even done with our, I'll be giving you a project at the end of our course. Okay. I'll be giving
Okay,
you a
ma'am.
sample project which you people can insert, like include in your resume. So how to really publish that particular report onto Power BI service and how you can share it with others, maybe your stakeholders or your colleagues, or maybe someone else in the organization whom are going to really consume your report, how to share it with them. I'll teach you. Don't worry about it. And don't
Okay,
worry
ma'am.
about getting what's the sign up and all. As of now, don't get into all of those now. Okay, just go ahead, download your desktop tool by this weekend, and then we'll start off from Monday. Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it that you have got a account already from your workplace?
No, I have desktop version only. So that's why I was
Okay.
asking.
Okay, not an issue, ma. Not an issue. Thank you, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, Vaibhav's doubt also got cleared, I believe. Okay, now once
Yeah.
we are done with it, yes, boss. Okay, once we are done with, we just, I mean, we do have the syllabus over here. It's been embedded, but if you want to see it, I have kept it in our drive also. In our drive, if you see here, the PPT that I have been really sharing till now, they are seeing it over here. Just below that, you have your training syllabus. Now, we did see 4 components, right? So all those 4 components related topics only we are going to learn during this tenure of around 35 classes, I told you, na, approximately. So during that time, we are going to learn all the topics related to that only. And if you really want to refer, go ahead and see it. It's very much kept in our Google Drive. And I've shared the link also. Is that okay? And as I told you, we do have a sample project now, and with each topic, like completing with each topic, I'll give you some hands-on assignments related to each topic. And towards the end, like as it's written as quiz, but it's actually a mock interview. On the last day of our session, I'll keep a mock interview. Okay. That's it from my side. Any questions you have, please go ahead.
Ma'am, may I ask you something?
Yeah, go ahead. That's why I'm asking. Any doubts if you have?
Right, right. Like we are going with this course names data analyst. I'm going with that. I don't know like how many persons are there. So like in journal interviews, like which part is much more important, like MySQL, Python, or Power BI or Excel? I do know like all of them are interrelated. So, or it depends on the interview, like what are the requirements of the
Correct.
interviewer
You
or
answered my
something.
question. You answered your question itself. Now, Lord, not every other job description is same, right? Any job post you're seeing, is it that every other job post is the same? No, na. So
No.
every job has its spot requirement. Some people will be more inclined to Python. Some people will be more inclined to SQL, and some yes to Power BI or Tableau. So this data analytics course which you have joined with Besant, it comes up with a whole package. Okay.
Right, right,
So
right.
that's the answer. You
Okay.
have given the answer. I just elaborated on it. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
That's
Ma'am,
okay.
I
Thank
also
you.
wanted to ask one question.
Ah.
Like, when we will start giving interview after completion of this course, how to find jobs for ourselves? Like,
See, training you people in Power BI is my area. Even okay, mock interview conducting related to Power BI is also my area. But after that, you would have to contact the institute as to if at all any courses are there for you left to be completed. Once you're all done with it, if you inform them, they will help you out. I don't manage that area, ma. So they will be, I guess, there is a team which is going to really help you out with the placements.
yeah,
Okay, there is
that's
a
okay.
separate team really dedicated
All
for
right.
it. You would have to
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
inform them.
Yeah, that's okay, ma'am. But like after doing this data science course, like many topics we are studying here. Okay,
Many
so
topics.
many topics we are studying here.
Ah,
Power BI is one of them.
okay.
Yeah, so how it will help in finance point of view, ma'am?
Finance view, what is the thing that you are going to do, ma? Is it that you are going to use Excel or you are going to use Power BI? Like I have seen many students who do come off like, okay, they do know Power or Excel, but then their job demands usage of Power BI. So yes, you would have to know Power BI and go ahead. It's all depends upon what kind of work that you do. We can't tell anything prior hand. Say you could even land something like this, like you have got the job based on your current skills like uh, your Power BI, SQL, and Excel, maybe. But when you actually start working off, maybe you would have to work on some other tool as well. Maybe Tableau also you might be asked to work on. So nobody is really sure as to what is the final thing that you're going to really do. Because nowadays jobs, there is no such hard and fast that if you have really been recruited based on a specific skill, you are going to continue with that skill. There is no specific thing, especially in the current world. You don't have that option, ma. So as a whole, you are going to learn each of the tools that is generally being used in the data analytics field or maybe data science. Yes, some extra you might be learning like machine learning algorithms and all you're going to come across. Now, at your job workplace, what is being asked, you have to really get bended towards that requirement, ma. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm. Is that any other questions, or else we can just?
Yeah, Maitri,
I
I
do
just
have
have
a
one.
class after this. That's what.
Yeah, sorry. I mean, let me do the last question though. Just want to know, I mean, how much SQL is part of this Power BI? I mean, is it something mandatory like Excel though, as you said earlier?
How much part of what is there?
MySQL.
Okay. MySQL is yes everywhere nowadays. They are really asking if you have a like MySQL. I won't be really touching any of MySQL in Power BI sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, what I
I
meant to
won't be.
ask
Maybe I'll
is,
just give you a tip. Hold on. I might just give you tips as to how to connect to MySQL Workbench. I'll give you tips on that. But
Mhm.
as in, we are not really going to learn about SQL. It's all a Power BI class, right?
No, what I meant to ask is, in Power BI, do we really need to have the knowledge about SQL though?
Not really. Not really.
Okay, okay. Oh, all
If
right.
you have good, if you have good on from SQL background sense, if you're talking, yes.
Mm-hmm.
But as in, no, no, boss. I
All right.
Excel. Just reason I asked you like few. Uh, like to say a few functions. If you really now say, suppose if you know one particular BI tool, and after you know a particular BI tool, you come across another BI tool which is kind of same like a nature or logic, it becomes easier for anyone to really correlate. Now that's how we all do. Okay, this is the function there in one tool means, okay, the new tool that I'm going to learn, okay, the alternative one which is there for in the second tool is this. So some kind of comparisons we do get the knowledge. Okay, our learning process becomes faster. That's the only thing. Okay, no big deal if you are in Power BI class, if you don't know Excel, you don't know Python, you don't know SQL or Excel or any of those things, not an issue. I won't really pose an issue. Not me. Even the learning process is also not a hurdle for you all. But yes, knowing just a single tool is not enough, right? For your data analytics workplace, you would have to know the package, right? Who knows who might get the thing to work on. You got recruited based on Power BI, you might be asked to work on Tableau. Okay, fine then. Guys, no questions? Okay then, thank you.
Yeah.